Alright.
You said watch the other way. You aren't watching the other way.
What do you mean I'm watching it?
Towards
The
A.
other way.
Oh.
Yeah, where she is. Yeah.
Where Olivia Dunn is at.
That other way. I didn't realize.
Oh, dude, that's the chick. That's the LSU chick.
Yeah, I wonder if she'll fucking do a split on my cock.
That-
And then you'll see why I want her to do a split.
Oh, good, good. I'm glad. I'm glad.
She is fucking sexy as
Livy.
fuck.
So hot.
Done.
Alright, guys, I'll be back. He's gonna go,
Yeah.
take a
Yeah.
Holy
That's
shit.
Olivia. That's Olivia Dunn. That's Olivia Dunn.
Fuck.
Livy Dunn is gonna be done in 30 seconds.
Livy
She spent
Dunn.
the time with you.
That's Olivia Dunn.
Why'd you
I
put it in
can't
thread,
fucking breathe.
bro? Pierce, they can't see that.
Whoa! I just found a fucking
really?
og!
I can safely say, certainly, that she bad.
Yeah. You think?
I can safely say, with
I'm pretty sure you.
fucking-
I'm pretty sure you and our fucking 10 million other followers can say the same.
oh yeah.
Bam!
Well, I'm the biggest bird. Okay, so do
Yeah.
a split on my cock. Okay, across in fucking other site. All right, fucking here.
I
right
thought of
here,
all people,
right
Pierce
here.
would already knew who she is.
Well, I'm about to know who. I'm about to know
He's
her a
about to-
lot
he's
more
about to hit her up.
personally in a bit.
Pierce about to hit her up.
But hit the line.
He's becoming the top G. I'm so proud, Pierce. You're learning so quickly.
Yeah.
When's the Bugatti coming? Sorry, Bugatti.
When's the wedding?
You know, when's
You know, I don't really have an exact date on that yet, but I'll get back to you.
Top
with
G,
it for
the top G
sure,
files.
for sure. See,
Tell
top
you, see
G
ya, bitch.
needs time. Top G needs time. Right.
I am so putting this in a video and calling it top G moments.
Damn, bro.
You should say, top G phase. Pierce Stein loves
Top-
Livy
Top
Dunn.
G, FaZe Stein,
Bro, that'll be
loves
such good
Livy
Once
clickbait.
Livy
Dunn.
Dunn to do
Put her in,
splits on
put her in a
cock.
thumbnail to be the best clickbait ever. They'll come flocking.
Top G once
FaZe
Livy
Stein
Dunn
wants
to do
Livy
no,
Dunn
just
to
name
do
it top.
splits
Here,
on
if you want clicks, top G wants Livy Dunn to do splits on cock. And then you can put Pierce. Then you can put Pierce.
I think
saying,
it's the wrong
"I'm the biggest
website,
bird.
Cohen."
I'm the biggest bird. Do a split on my dick.
Yeah, bro. She bad. This is bad.
I don't even
Bro,
care.
we
I don't
should
even
fucking
care
watch
that I just fucking died in Tarkov with good
She
shit.
bad.
I don't even care.
I just had to do a double take, bro. I just had to do a quick
Yeah, he had to
double
look
take,
Bro,
bro.
up. He had to look on his
dude.
phone
Bro.
real quick.
Someone better have clipped
Bad.
Pierce cum in his pants,
I did.
bro.
I just definitely did. I just definitely did.
She bad. Hey, look at this spawn.
I had about
ass
the
bitch,
entire
bro.
fucking thing on it.
Look at this goated ass operator.
Whew.
Ugh.
Pierce mouthed, "I'm the biggest nut. I'm the biggest nut."
Pierce
I'm the
wants to get
biggest
mounted by
blood.
Livy
I'm the
Dunn.
biggest blood. Do splits on my cock.
Dude, Lauren Alexis can do a split on my cock
Oh my
too.
fucking-
That'd be crazy.
I don't know who
Be
that
nuts,
is.
though. Look her up.
That's funny as fuck.
This Goyo's fucking
Look her up.
stupid, dude.
Pierce, ain't no one cum in their pants like you.
I saw Goyo back here, by the way.
Go. Why are you still calling him Goyo?
Fuck you.
It's not like a fucking yo-yo, man. The G isn't replaced.
Goyo.
Are we going sneaky
Brookie.
like?
What's up, dude? What's up?
Bitch, the animation, fire.
I don't know.
I love the animation.
I don't even.
What do you
how do you even
mean?
look at it? What the fuck is that? It's her picking up Kong. It's not even her picking up Kong. Yeah, Pierce, I shouldn't have even thought about hearing you out.
I mean, I got SMB in this thing, bro. It don't play.
Yeah, I got another one of Lord Artorias' dog tags to add to the collection.
Is a class 3 armor helmet.
I thought so. So it's a decent helmet.
It's a great helmet for me. Any helmet, any lootable is a great lootable.
Until you find the Taz.
Yeah, I don't want to talk about tosses right now.
It's a great lootable. Oh, I'm searching the
My
computer.
fucking
I'm
staff
searching
would
the
have a
computer.
fucking
Give me your
Taz.
shit, man. I'm taking all your fucking porn drives. Give me that.
I can think of 1,000 things better than getting fucking anal from fucking Killa. It's like, if you're not careful, you could end up killing yourself.
With the flashbang, it actually flashes your whole screen and the person who's playing the game.
You know, the sad part is the flashbang in Tarkov is less annoying than the ones in COD. In COD, you get flashed and it's just a white fucking screen. In Tarkov, it's like an actual flashbang.
I'm glad to see you've been flashbang before.
No, but there's been people that have been flashed.
Oh, I'm fucking with you.
By the time we finish this, me, Jason...
Lord Arthritis.
You're not going to be able to heal up fully, but fuck you. Anyways, you're not going to be able to heal up fully, but it...
Where?
This truck up there.
Dude, I got crackers. What the fuck am I doing with all these crackers, bro?
Fuck you, call me.
Crackers you eat. Yeah.
Yeah, I know, but I had so many, motherfucker.
Yeah, you need a car key for that
Shit in
trunk.
here.
Man, the fucking Black
What are we
Lives
doing?
Matter activists took all the shit before we could get it. God damn it.
Need that George Floyd discount.
They peacefully protested this store.
All of the fun.
A Wigman.
Oh no, absolutely not. How do I take?
Coal pack. Has he got a coal pack?
We're waiting on crying by the creek.
Chase, doing a hit ready?
Sorry.
I try a set trip. So let me get this right. You want a Big Mac?
I'm not used to fucking
A
being
large
the
bulk.
host of this shit.
A 10-piece bacon nugget? The 3 chocolate bit bush?
Yo,
I
dude,
got a
my guy looks
beanie and a
badass.
fucking facial structure of a dude that looks like he smoked meth the past 5 years.
Bro, my guy looks like he just got out of the Air Force, bro. He's got like a leather jacket on.
You
My
seen
guy
him?
just
He's
got
that
out of
hat,
rehab,
maybe.
bro. What do you got on me? Yeah, dude, like I'm scared to fart. I got fucking. I feel like I got a fart, dude, but I fucking fart. I might shit myself.
You're praying that I lose everything.
No, I hope it goes good for you. I hope you don't have to go through what the fuck I went through, because I tell you, it wasn't fun. Just can't take that shit anymore. There was a couple things that happened that made up for my losses, like that Mosin sniper and shit, but overall, my mental capability is just not the same. We were stuck on one fucking scav, Travis, for, I'm not even shitting you, probably 8 matches. I needed one fucking scav for 8 matches.
Yeah, well,
And
I
then-
need shits on scabs.
And then me and Justice were so happy that I got that one scav that we just randomly bum rushed these 2 fucking sweat nuts in the fucking middle of the
Bro,
trees for no
I don't
reason.
have a. No.
Yeah, this is me.
So Pierce did a thing, or someone did a thing with the Discord and added a soundboard, and this is the end result of that. Fair warning, this is loud as fuck, so if you're wearing headphones, this is your chance to turn it down before you lose your ability to hear.
Hey, by the way, our server is now boosted to level 1 so you can send clips. How crazy is that?
Wow.
Insane, dude.
That shit ain't crazy at all.
Man, fuck you, Zach.
You ain't rich enough, and I just lay there and sweat.
Modern systems have stuff
Or I'm
like
trying
that.
to get like a blinding ass strobe, like a fucking disco party.
Yeah, but
Be the last thing
On
they
the-
see. Hey, this map fucking blows. Dude, Bigfoot's over. You see him?
that bush does look like Bigfoot. But
From this point forward, I'm not going to be using Xbox DVR to record stuff on my PC because it's very buggy. It doesn't work half the time. It doesn't catch what I want, and my mic doesn't work most of the time. And when it does, the audio sounds like shit. I'm using NVIDIA GeForce Experience to clip, so now it's going to be clipping the overwhelming majority of the funny shit because there's so much shit I didn't get to clip because it just cuts out. Or stuff that just it literally wouldn't clip, and now I'm gonna be able to get the majority of that stuff, and my voice will be included. So there's gonna be more context in this stuff too. And I sound different because I'm sick right now, if you couldn't tell already. Can someone explain to me what the fuck this scope is doing on my gun? Why does this look so fucking cursed? This is horrible. What the fuck?
So fucking up.
That look how far up.
He just shot me, that guy in the doorway. Be careful. It's a bad scat!
You to stop. You make me feel like I'm scream.
What
the fuck?
Brian,
I don't know who the fuck Ross is. I've never met a Ross before.
Brian, how does it feel that of all brothers, she picked the most dumb one to call you? How does it
What,
make you?
Clint or Justice?
Well, she didn't call you Justice, now did she?
I don't know that.
You and I both know she doesn't because she's never met me. Why the hell would she call you me if she's never met me?
I don't know. Stupidity is in the air.
Checkmate, dude.
Checkmate.
This is Gas Station Stories with Brian.
I see that he's pumping gas and it's going really, 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 really slow. So I go out there and I tell
Squeeze
him.
handle. Squeeze handle.
No, I
Squeeze hard.
No. I tell him we only have 87. We only have unleaded gas. And then I pointed at the only one with the fucking sticker on it. And then I shook my head at the one he pointed at.
Oh my god.
So I told him twice. And then I go back inside. And he continues to try to pump it for another 3 fucking minutes. And then bitches at me because he couldn't get gas. And then leaves.
This has been Gas Station Stories with Brian.
I wish that we could clip my dad raging. If you think I'm fucking funny, you should listen to the shit he says.
Dude, we need to get him in somehow. I would lose my shit, bro.
Dude, listen to him rage at Apex Randoms might be the funniest thing ever. My dad hates wearing a headset. He'll almost never wear a headset. He'll just turn his TV volume as loud as it goes, right? And then do it that way. But every now and then he'll get a random that'll fucking open his mic out of nowhere. Like, say his random steals shit, or like his random will land somewhere and die on his own, and his random will start talking shit. And yeah, I'll hear Dad get up off his chair and run over to his fucking headset and plug it in. It's just hilarious.
Tell him when
He plays with no headset on?
Yeah.
Yeah. He
Brian,
hates wearing a headset.
Brian,
He
tell
hates
him
wearing
what.
it. But
Tell
he
him
will
the
wear
one
a
of two
headset
things.
with a microphone if he wants to talk to a random and piss him off.
Brian. So the first thing he usually says to his random is "fuck off, stupid."
Fuck off, stupid is a favorite of his, and then the other one is what you
You
think was
fucking
gonna
moron.
happen, moron? Oh, I'm ready. Let me land in Skull Town. That's why you're fucking dead, and I'm not. It's so goddamn
The one time there was a kid,
funny.
there was this little kid who started cussing Dad out. Dad turns on his microphone and he goes, "Let's go Skull Town! Let's go Skull Town!" They start losing it.
Let's go.
Did you remember the one time Dad asked me the hot drop spot in Fortnite, what it was? I said Tilted Towers. And Dad goes to the kid and he goes, "Let's go Tilted Towers! Let's go Tilted Towers!" There was a whole there was a whole fucking bus of Baptist church people that came into the gas station, used the fucking restroom, and felt the need to talk about God. And Linda loves God.
Yeah, well,
I need that George Floyd discount.
I think one of us said that the other day. I don't remember who.
These deals are absolutely breathtaking.
Yeah.
Deal's so good you won't need your counterfeit bills.
Oh, hoggers. There's a scav out here. Out front.
Anyways, I'm actually gonna get off now.
He's out here. He
Was it a player, Scav?
He was just right in front of me. Oh, wait, did you just shut at me?
Huh? Oh, that's you? Bro! I thought the fucking Scav was you,
Yeah,
Justice.
no. Oh my god, man. Oh, I found a measuring tape. Maybe I can be like one of those retards that work in a line that you need to know how to read one and don't know how to read it.
Dude, that's half the people.
I know, dude. It's like it's not that hard to read the fucking measuring tape. And he goes to open the door and he sees Linda, and I hear him go, "Oh Jesus fucking Christ!"
Yeah, it was 41. Justice, the one I killed.
Good shit.
Remember that Baptist church bus I was telling you about?
Yeah, bro.
Well, guess what? It broke down at the stop sign.
Yeah.
To our left.
Yeah.
For a while, and its fucking big old hood is up, right?
Yeah.
And he asked us why it was standing there. He goes, "It's broke down. Why did it break down?" And Linda looks over and she goes, "Oh yeah, I think it's broke down." And he goes, "Oh shit! Is that why their hood is up?"
I think you're kind of retarded. I'm gonna be honest, I'm kind of retarded.
I think you're kind of retarded.
I'm gonna be honest, I'm kind of retarded.
So I will not be anywhere near my PC the 18th and 19th, so I will not be able to record any footage, edit any footage, or upload anything within those 2 days. So I may or may not have a video pushing out like late, kind of. And I figured I'd mention that just to kind of explain myself, because I'm going to be quite busy and it's kind of important stuff. But I hope you guys can understand, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope I made you guys laugh your asses off. That was kind of the goal of this whole thing. But until next time, guys, take it easy.